Ang kantang ito ay sa title na Victims of Love. Di ko ganun kabisado, pero para sa lahat ng ating mga kaibig, sa lahat ng tulad kong biktima rin sa love, labaha, one time nagpagupit ako, medyo nadali yung tainga ko. Kaya isa rin ako sa biktima sa labaha. Kasama na nating isang fans dyan. Sir, Enrico. Oh, yan. Ayan dating amo. Medyo busy rin talaga palagi sa kanyang business.
Mag-business. Yan.
Kaya ito na. Sana magustuhan nyo.
Hearts have been so bad, and souls have been so warm. And love's the will to carry on. We don't believe no more. The last of me I said, this could never happen to us. How I could be, just baby, we are. Tell our love, broken down the bed, so sad to see there scatter everywhere. Victims our love, still cannot believe, but the victims our love now. It's free. Used to be so easy, but it should be so gone. And I didn't understand it, but I got misunderstood. And no else about us, and we never broken down. But now it's just consider, 'cause our love comes tumbling down. Some love broken down the pair, so sad to see that we scatter everywhere. Victims of love still cannot believe. We're victims of love, we can never rest free. Everything about to shore, and everything they have some nonsense. But then start eating close enough, and we're just standing, and realize the ending. Right to me, where we go from here. Victims of love, I'm broken out the bed. It's so sad to see the debris scattered everywhere. Victims of love, you still cannot believe. We're victims of love, victims of love, victims of love. Here now, retreat.
Yeah! Thank you. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng kaibig. Sana magustuhan nyo.